Here are the girls today. Today is April 1st, so April Fools. Avril Poisson. And today I watched Josie put her pacifier in and out of her mouth on her own. She found it and put it back in. Yay! More of that, okay, Josie Joe? Yeah? And we were singing the song, Josie Joe and the ones and twos. And Lexi Lou dancing to the music. Lexi is just smiley as ever. And today, Lexi was smiling away at us. And she also had her hand on her pacifier. She's so good. She's such a good girl. Oh, Kiki, Kiki. Kiki, Kiki. Ah, Josie, you and your kicks are so much fun. Oh, and your kicks too. Josie kicks, Josie kicks, Josie kicks, Josie kicks. Yeah, so exciting. So exciting. Josie saying, ow, 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 ow. No, not today. Oh. Ow! Oh, Lexi looking at her hands. Lexi grabbed my hand and put it into her own mouth today. That was fun. Oh, here comes the music. Ow, Josie. It's so nice to hear Josie's voice. Oh, she's kicking those herself, by the way. Ow. Ow. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh, I'll be so sad to go back to work.